Good afternoon, everybody. Again, welcome to the Temple Terrace Fire Department Open House. My name is Joe Cable. I'm the captain and training officer here at the fire department. And as always, we are thrilled that you're with us this year to see some of these things that we do as firefighters that in an emergency situation we wouldn't be able to explain. We just have to work, but you get the opportunity to see what we get to do. This is probably the moment you've all been waiting for the day. This is something we really enjoy providing for you all. And we want to give a special thank you to Wayne Automatic. Let's give them a round of applause for providing this side-by-side demonstration for us. 2,500 deaths happen from fires, residential fires, every year. And our goal is to reduce that more and more through education, through training, through prevention, and then through situations where we could possibly put residential sprinklers into your home. But those numbers are things that we need to avoid. This will provide you an opportunity to see how fire develops in your own home. If you got to see the early live fire burn box demonstration, that was a little introduction into what this is going to be. You're going to imagine this is your living room at home. Most fires in residences begin because of cooking. But beyond that, they can start in any other room of the house. And our houses are full of items that like to burn. Synthetic materials, woods, cheaply made, for lack of a better term, products that are lightweight and burn quickly. And that creates two hazards. One for you living in the home, but one for you, two for us as we come and try to put the fire out. So you see here today we have a demonstration. We have one side of the house protected by fire sprinklers and one side not. So if Wayne Automatic would go ahead and light that fire for us, I want you to watch how the fire grows. Now, as it's going, for those of you that are here in the front row, please, 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 when the fire gets going, you'll hear some popping and cracking. You will feel some heat. Please do not run, okay? You've got 4 trained firefighters here with hoses that will protect you in the event of an emergency. The last thing we need is all of you running away from the fire. So please stay where you are, parents. Keep an eye on those children that are on the front there as well so they don't run and knock people down. So once you see the smoke in there, I'm not looking at it, so let me know when you see some smoke. Fires begin in small places and they grow. Every 30 seconds, the fire doubles in size.
The plastic smelting.
I don't know if that's going to hold.
It's black. Once you add water, it'll turn white because I'm a trained professional.
Notice how the smoke is slowly coming down. If you were walking in that room, you would not survive. That's why we tell you children and adults to crawl low in smoke. There's only about 36 inches worth of breathable air. Now that doesn't mean that air is cool, that's hot air. So we need to get out, we need to get out quickly. Thick black smoke, heavily involved.
We're going to have a real situation. Whoa!
1 minute, 20 seconds to flashover.
If you want to take a second and look at the clock, that was 1.5 minutes for one room. 1.5 minutes for one room to be fully involved, unsurvivable. Unsurvivable. We don't put our firefighters in that situation because they wouldn't survive as well. So the same would be for you. Okay, so the next demonstration you're going to see is the sprinkler protected room. Now, in most commercial buildings, which are your businesses, your apartments, they already have sprinklers in them. Residentially, that's not something that we do. We don't put sprinklers in our home. But where are we most of the time? In our homes. So we're going to watch as well. The gentlemen from Wayne Automatic are going to begin the fire over there. We're going to start the clock, and you're going to see that that sprinkler is going to trigger at 155 degrees. At 155 degrees at the ceiling height, that's when the sprinkler is going to go off.
Hey Trey, can you charge that?
So once you see smoke in the fire sprinkler protected side of the demo, let us know. Nice and loud. And while they're getting that one ready, one other thing that I want to show you guys before you leave is set up over here with the green hose and the green cone. Not too long ago, legislature passed a bill protecting firefighters from cancer, allowing them to be taken care of in the event because of the high risk of our career. We have also at Temple Terrace Fire Department, if you've looked at this new engine, have made it what's called a clean cab. Nothing carcinogenic or hazardous goes into that cab. So you're going to see the firefighters decon themselves after that, after they put this fire out. Look at the clock. Take note of the clock. 1.5 minutes for the unprotected. How much time for the protected?
20 seconds.
20 seconds. That quickly, sprinklers can keep that fire in control until the fire department arrives.
Still on though. It's still burning.
Now you can see if you're over here on this side of the demonstration, I'm not sure over here, there's still fire in that room. Sprinklers hold the fire in check until the fire department can arrive and put the fire out. There are places the sprinkler cannot reach, so the fire department will still come and respond and assist that system in putting that fire out.
The fire's the fighter this year because he's still resisting. He normally gets out within 10 seconds.
All right, hey, welcome. Don't
All right, like I said, one last thing before you leave. I want you to watch what these firefighters are doing to protect themselves, to protect their family, and to protect you all as well.
Hey, can we shut that? Hey, can we shut that? Can we shut the alarm off? Can we shut the alarm off?
So many of you have climbed into that fire truck today. We've kept it clean through this process. So you'll watch the firefighters go over to the green cone, and they'll begin a process of cleaning themselves off. This prevents these carcinogens from coming back to the station, into the truck, and to our families.
I think these events get shorter and shorter every year.
And there you go, folks. Thank you very much for coming today. We have a couple of more things. Make yourself at home before the day is over. And remember to be safe out there.
Thank you. Well, this year was pretty interesting. That one flashed over very fast, even faster than last year, if y'all keep up with my fire department videos. And the fire in this one, he was resisting. The fire in this one was resisting pretty good. Normally they're out in about 20 seconds. I'm narrating to my viewers. Fun fact, I have the exact same fire alarm in my collection. I have a big fire alarm collection. It's on my phone. Let me show it to you real quick. I take so many pictures that...
Oh yeah, heck yeah.
Oh yeah. I just like to build fire alarm stuff. Maybe next year I might build a portable demo board so I can teach the kids about how fire alarm systems work.
Oh yeah. like, that's one of the things that this place is missing on those. We need a fire alarm demo here. Set it up. I sure will. We're hiring. We get fire alarm guys too. Oh, y'all are expanding into fire alarms. We got it. We do fire alarms. We've always got it. That's awesome.
That's so cool, man.
That's my favorite thing. Clean up time.
Awesome.
Out.